Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Richards. You know, we do 2 shows every morning. We already did the pre-market briefing. Now we're live for the market open show. To give you a breakdown on live price action, momentum, and execution. Remember, I watch the market, give you the breaking news and final levels so you don't have to. The bell's about to ring in a few minutes. The S&P closed at record highs yesterday, and so did the NASDAQ. Let's see if we're going to have 13 days in a row, y'all. Let's get into the mantra. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to be happy. I deserve the wealth that I'm building for me and my family. Riches and freedom, they come to our hands. I am the master of all I command. My learning is limitless. My earnings are too. The more I discover, the more I can do. The stock market is a machine of design, and I have the power to make that wealth mine. I am capable, I am skilled, I am bold. Blessings on the journey as the vision unfolds. All right. The price of oil has dropped to under $90 per barrel. 10-day ceasefire between Israel and Lebanon took effect at midnight, and Trump saying that the deal to end the war in Iran is very close. All right, Netflix, they had a beat on earnings by 61%, but that was based on the breakup fee of $2.8 billion paid by Paramount Skydance. Okay, and so their shares are down 10% in the pre-market, while all the $1 trillion tickers are running crazy, y'all. All right, let's get into the daily law. I don't think I'm gonna finish it before the market opens, but we'll get into it. We'll get into the charts as soon as I finish this. All right, Robert Greene's daily law for April 17th, 2026. Stay above the fray. Daily law. Always try to inwardly maintain your independence and avoid entanglements not of your choosing. To play the game properly, you must seem interested in others' problems, but maintain your inner energy and sanity by keeping your emotions engaged. It is regarded as more courageous to refuse to become involved in petty squabbles than to engage and win the battle. While you should listen with a sympathetic look and occasionally play the charmer to avoid causing offense, you must inwardly keep all friendly kings and perfidious tyrants at arm's length. The market is open, y'all. 6:30. We opened up at market highs. Man, forget this daily law. We'll get back to it. Market open, market open, market open. The market is open. Yes, we are at all-time highs. Let's check out SPY. Where we at? This thing ran at 708 in the pre-market, y'all. It's currently at 706. Let's get it. Check your accounts, y'all. Check your accounts. Check those retirement accounts. Check those investment accounts. These things are running. We at all-time highs. Shout out to boy Trump. Man, oh man, this thing is running, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. SPY is up over 0.5%. Currently at 706.09. QQQ hit 648.50 in the pre-market. It's currently up almost 1% at 645.66. The VIX is at 1744. NVDA ran all the way to 201.65 in the pre-market. It did end up opening up here at 199.90. Ran up to 289, rejected, and now it's consolidating. We want to see if we can stay above this 199.96. Let's just say 200, just for a round number. If NVIDIA can stay above 200 and close, then that'll be above this smart money concepts resistance zone, and I believe the zone will disappear. All right, next we got Tesla. Yeah, this Tesla hit 399.09 in the pre-market. It's currently at 396.97. It's up 2%. All right, Apple is up 1.5% at 267.71. Google is up over 0.5% at 338.12. Microsoft is up almost 1% at 423.71. Wow, Microsoft at 423. Incredible, y'all. Incredible. All right. Next, we got Amazon. Amazon hit 255.86 on the opening candle, but it's currently at 252.75 and it's up 1.25%. TSM is up 2.75% at 373.56. Meta barely over break even at 377. At 677. AVGO is up 0.5% at $400.51. And brk.b is looking strong on this first candle. It's up 0.5% at 477.51, y'all. The numbers is crazy, y'all. The numbers is crazy. The market is running. All right, let's check some of these other tickers we like to look at on the show. Ooh, talk about hitting 7,000. In the pre-market, we hit 7,107. On SPX, y'all. It's currently at 7,082. The NAS 100. We hit 26,645 in the pre-market. Currently at 26,491. The Dow Jones is trying to get back to 50,000, y'all. The Dow Jones is at 49,271. 10-year Treasury note. This thing dropped major. It's at 4.25. Gold is running. Gold is up almost 1.5%. The Gold Mini Shares Trust is at 96.05. It's up almost 1.5%. Silver is up 4%. Copper Miners ETF is up almost 1.5%. AMD, wow, AMD is down. That's interesting. Bitcoin broke 76,000, y'all. That was a resistance, 76,000. So it's at 76,583 right now and rising. IBIT is at 43.46. Ethereum is at 2,400, y'all. It broke it. BMNR is at 23.27. Palantir is up almost 1% at 143.90. Robinhood is back, baby. Robinhood is up 5.6% at 91.80 right now, y'all. All right, let's check out these ETFs. IWM. Even the Russell 2000 is running, y'all. IWM is up 1.5%. SPYM is up 0.75%. QQQM is up 0.75%. SPYG is up over 1%. SOXQ is up 1.63%. TQQQ is up 2.25%. SOXL is up 5% at 92.76. Wow. I told my nephew to sell his shares that he's been holding. I don't know if he did. He can sell it today if he didn't. It's at all-time highs. SMH is up 1.6%. SOXX is up 1.6%. XLG is up 0.75%. The IVES 30 is up almost 1.5%. SPYI is up almost 0.5%. And QQQI is up 0.5%, y'all. We getting close. Where we at, man? I'm about ready to sell this thing. Next week. Let me get one more. Dividend next Wednesday. We got 2.29% to go. I don't know if we can get there, but maybe by Wednesday we can get there. Hopefully, because I'm definitely ready to sell this thing. All right, let's check out the sectors, y'all. Energy sector is down 4.5%. All the money is flowing out of energy, y'all. It's going into tech. Technology is up 1.5%. Ooh, XLK hit an all-time high, y'all. XLF is up 1%. XLY is up 2%. Communications is down 0.25%. Healthcare is up almost 1%. Consumer staples is down fractionally. Utilities is down 1%. Industrials is up over 1.5%. Materials is down 0.25%. And the real estate sector is up almost 0.5%, y'all. Let's check out the heat map. Ooh, that's what we like to see, y'all. Anything that's red is energy, communications, utilities, industrials. See a lot of green in tech. See a lot of green in finances. See green in retail mostly. Producer manufacturing. Yeah, this market is looking wonderful, y'all. It's looking wonderful. Check your accounts, y'all. Check your accounts. Alright, let me read some news right quick. While we do that, I'm going to put this 8-chart display up here. NVDA top left-hand corner. To the right, we got Apple, Google, Microsoft. Underneath NVIDIA, we got Amazon. To the right, we got TSM, AVGO, and Meta Platforms. All right, let's go, y'all. Okay, scroll down to the bottom here. Oh, I thought this was pretty crazy. Amazon driver exposes 300 stops in one shift, then shows her truck, and people can't believe what's expected. Check it out, y'all.
Are y'all crazy? Hold up. Are y'all crazy?
300 stops, 421 locations.
Crazy.
524 packages. In one shift, y'all. Look at that truck. And she fine, too.
Are y'all crazy?
Working that hard.
Hold up. Are y'all crazy?
Alright, next we got Samsung's South Korea Union says up to 40,000 people expected to join the rally over wages, y'all. Remember we was talking about that yesterday? We didn't know it was 40,000 union members, y'all. 40,000. Because remember, Samsung tried to ask the courts to block the strike. That's what happened yesterday. All right, next, Elon Musk said more Tesla diners are coming soon. And you'll be able to order from your Tesla, just swiping up, choosing the food, Look like they got burgers and fries and hot dogs and drinks. They should have some healthy food on there for people who drive Teslas. They are trying to save the planet, so they're probably trying to save their health as well by eating healthy. At least give us some healthy options on there, Elon. All right, next, Reed Hastings, Netflix chairman, stepped down. He said he's calling it quits, y'all. Calling it quits, and that's part of the reason why Netflix was down 10% in the pre-market. Outside of what we talked about earlier as far as their earnings. All right, next. This is from Dan Ives on Twitter. He said, our checks in the Asia supply chain and overall AI cloud hyperscaler partners give us more incremental bullishness heading into Q1 earnings season. Over the next coming weeks, we believe tech stocks could rally another 15% from these levels into year end as AI demand soars for tech. Let's go. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Let's go, y'all. Tech to the moon. Let's get it. All right, next. OnlyFans is in advanced talks to sell a minority stake in the company to Architect. The deal would value OnlyFans at more than $3 billion. And the CEO, he just died, I think, like a month ago, too. Let me see. OnlyFans is in advanced talks to sell a minority stake under 20% to San Francisco-based Architect Capital, with the deal valuing the UK-based adult content platform at over $3 billion. The negotiations, which could close as soon as next month, follow over a year of sale explorations, including prior majority stake discussions targeting around $5.5 billion in enterprise value. Ooh. Yeah, they like, man. It's crazy how much money they making on OnlyFans, y'all. It's crazy, man. The adult industry is crazy, y'all. But at least they can do it from home now. They don't have to go to the film set. All right, next, NASDAQ is on track for its best April in 40 years. All right, I got some other stuff, but we gonna cut the show short today. It's Friday. You know, I got to work early. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know how we like to end the show with some Instagram motivation, y'all.
You're more blessed than you think. Sometimes you just struggle to realize how much is in front of you because you're constantly thinking about what you have to obtain. The rich person is not the one who has a lot, but the one that has enough. So you should seek to have enough, inshallah.
Chase excellence, never chase money. Why? Because money has an incredible way of finding excellence. Did you chase excellence and not money? Do you have the intellectual curiosity to learn everything you can about this incredible industry and master it? Become the smartest person in the room. Have you mastered it?
It don't happen overnight, and there's gonna be moments when it's really, really frustrating, and there's gonna be moments when it's really, really inspiring and empowering. And if you get too high off the highs and too low off the lows, you're gonna take yourself on a ride that's very uncomfortable. I think it's just about being committed to the work, appreciating it, when it's good and not stressing too bad when it's bad, just appreciating the work and staying focused on showing up every day.
And that's what we do here on the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. We show up every day. It is Friday. Y'all have a blessed weekend. On the weekends, the market is closed, but we do our charting show. We'll be charting each individual $1 trillion ticker, give each one their own less than 10-minute episode. So we'll see y'all then. It's a wonderful day, y'all. Markets at all-time highs. Markets is running up. Let's get it. Check your accounts. We getting that bag. We getting that bag. We getting that bag. Dang, I need that little Russell clip right now. Oh well. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.